To get vibration alert when your phone detects an emergency sound in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap sound notification and then tap open sound notification. Next, tap setting icon at the top right. Under preferences section, tap ways to be notified. And then under emergency section, tap the gray on off switch next to vibrate to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will vibrate when it detects an emergency sound, such as smoke alarms, fire alarm, and else, while the sound notification feature is on. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.